Welcome to RDO. I am Devinder. In this video, we will discuss here class 8th maths.
See here, chapter 4 Exponents and Powers. The concept is numbers in standard form. In the previous class, that means here in the 7th class, you have learned how to express very large numbers in standard form. Yes or no? Yes. In this way, we will learn here how to express large numbers and also small numbers in standard form. Are you know what is the standard form of a number? Standard form of a number should be a into 10 to the power n. Remember here a into 10 to the power n. Remember here a should be any digit from 1 to 9 only. A should be any digit from 1 to 9. That means it is in the place of either maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. Don't take here 10, 11. If you are taking here 10, it's not in standard form. See here. So that purpose you don't take any other than digit from 1 to 9. See here 10 to the power n. See here n should be here n should be any integer. Any integer. You can remember here very easiest problems. These are the standard form of a number is a into 10 power n. Here a should be any digit from 1 to 9. Here n should be any integer, that may be negative number, that may be positive number, that may be 0. Is it okay? Just which are very easy problems. See here example. First of all, you can see here 3000000. That means first you can see here how many zeros are see 2. That means here this is 3 crores. Yes or no? Here 3 lakhs. That means here 3 crores are not. Yes, that means how many zeros are available? Just you can make it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are available. Yes or no? See here already decimal point is available here or not? Yes. If I move to, you can make the decimal point to LHS. We need to convert here the decimal point to left hand side. See here you can write here 3 point. You can write here 3.0. That means 3.0 into how many zeros are available? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Into you can write here 10 power 6. This is your solution. See here 3 into 10 power 6. Instead of 3.0, you can write it 3 into 10 power 6 also, no problem. See if you want 3 into 10 power 6. This is your standard form of the given number. Just you can remember here, whenever this kind of problems are given, whenever we are moving decimal point from right side to left hand side, you can get here, you will get here positive exponent. That means here 6 is positive or not? Yes. See in another problem, see here the decimal point is available here or not? In our standard form you can represent here 1 to 9 only. If I am taking C, you need to convert this decimal point to right hand side up to here 3 or not? That means C, if I am writing C 3 into, if you are keeping decimal point from here to here, that means how many points move to right sides here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. 6 places moves the decimal point from left to right hand side. That means you can write here 10 power minus 6. You can simply remember, if the decimal point moves from left hand side to right hand side, that means here if the decimal point moves to right side, you will get here negative exponent. If the decimal point moves to left hand side, you will get here positive exponent. For example, just one more example here, 44,000. See here 44,000. How can you express this number in standard form? See here, just you can see if it is available decimal point here or not. Yes, 44,000 means you will get here decimal point here. See, you need to convert the decimal point to LHS here. How many places? 1, 2, 3. Don't keep here 44 point. Why? Because if 44 is in the standard form, no. You need to remember here 1 to 9 only. That means you can keep here up to here. That means here 1, 2, 3, 4. That means you will get here how much? 4.4 into 10 power 4. 4.4 into 10 power 4. This is your solution. Very, very easiest problems. See one more, for example, here point 0032. Point 0032. How can you express in standard form? See here. Here you need to convert the decimal point to how many places? 1, 2, 3 places. Yes or no? You can keep a 3.2. Don't keep 32 point. If you are giving 32 point, is it in the standard form? Not in the standard form. That means here you can keep the decimal point to right hand side. How many places? Only 3 places. That means here 1, 2, 3. You will get here 3.2 into how many places the decimal point moves to right hand side? 3 places. Here 10 power minus 3. Just you can remember here very, very easy. If the decimal point moves to right side, you will get here negative exponent. If the decimal point moves to LHS, you will get here positive exponents. We will discuss in detail in the exercise problems.
Thank you for watching this video. You can watch the complete chapter videos in our class 8 maths playlist videos.